God bless you. But I'm Chinese. I don't believe in God. Oh, I'm so sorry, my bad. May Karl Marx bless you with fair pay, job security, and no messages from your boss after 6 p.m. and on weekends. May Lenin bless you with discipline, clarity, and a strong leadership. May Newton's third law protect your heart. For every emotional labor you give, an equal and opposite effort must be returned. May Chairman Mao remind you that women hold up half the sky, and therefore you do not chase men. Happy Chinese New Year of the Horse. Thank you, comrade.